and thick pipes. It can use by anything.
So I got this chain wrench that I got for like really rustic pipes when I'm doing outdoor pipes. They're really rustic and I want to remove them, so this is really handy for that. And with this set, it came also with another set of tools with it. This is to remove your filters on a vehicle, and this is for like PVC pipe or something that's clean, to loosen it if it's too tight on you. So it's a really nice set that I got. You're gonna get a pipe. It's really easy to use. It has a T where it just fits in there, and you put it in there, and then
the grips on the bottom here, it has teeth underneath the grips.
And so once you see the pipe, it has teeth that's going to be your grip for the pipe. So the nice thing is really nice grip because it's long. So when something's really tight, the longer it is, the better grip you got on it.